Hello, I'm Vika Widiawati, college student of Aka Textile Solo. Here, I will explain the manufacturing process of jacket. This is the jacket. But before I explain the manufacturing process, I will give some important information about this jacket. The material of this jacket is 100% cotton, and the accessories that used on this jacket is size label, care label, zipper, also snap button. And the component parts of this jacket is collar, belt neck variation, front body, welt pocket, flap pocket, side pocket, sleeve, slit opening, cuff, back yoke, also back body. Okay, why I choose this jacket? I choose this jacket because this is my favorite jacket. It is have simple style, modern, and elegant. Okay, what should we do before manufacturing process? Yes, before the manufacturing process, we must prepare the size specification. The example of size specification is, check it out. Second, we must prepare the sample. Third, we must prepare the material. That's all we need, usually fabric and accessories. Then, we can cutting the material. After that, we can start the manufacturing process of the jacket. Okay, now I will explain the manufacturing process to make this jacket. Check it out. Okay, first, I will explain how to make the collar. Type of collar on this jacket is Shanghai collar. Shanghai collar just made from collar band panels. Join the panels and stitch along the shape. Turning back the result of the stitches. Stitch that used on this collar is single needle with single needle machine. Next, I will explain how to make a welt pocket or passport. To make welt pocket, need two fabrics. There is layer fabric and main fabric. Draw a rectangular according with size specification in the layer fabric. Stitch according the mark, then make a hole in the center. While the edge form a triangle. Turn back the welt pocket, then trim. Don't forget to attach zipper before we join with the main fabric. Join layer fabric, main fabric, and flap pocket. Make a pocket shape. Under flap pocket with double needle machine. Bar tuck each end of the pocket and top of shapes to strengthen the stitch. And then do a same way to make other welt pocket. Okay, now I will explain how to make side pocket. To make side pocket, must prepare layer fabric and main fabric. In the pocket, layer is formed to be a rectangular. Specification: the size of the mouth pocket usually 10 until 15 cm or same with size hand to enter the pocket. Like this. Place the pocket layer in the position of the layer fabric good parts of the main fabric. Then stitch along the shape. Protect each end of the pocket to strengthen the stitch. Do the same way to make other side pocket. Next, I will explain how to make sleeve on this jacket. On this jacket, sleeve use two fabric. There are top sleeve and bottom sleeve. Join top sleeve and bottom sleeve with double needle machine. Reserving 10 cm to make slit opening. And don't forget to bar tack to strengthen the stitch. Okay, next I will explain how to make slit opening. To make slit opening, fold the slip fabric 1 cm in the right and left and stitch with double needle machine. Last, do the same way to make other slit opening. Next, I will explain how to make cuff. To make cuff, prepare two rectangular fabrics with bed parts facing each other. Stitch along the shape using single needle machine. Turn back the stitches and stitch again along the shape. Last, do the same way to make other cuff. Okay, now I will explain how to make neck belt variation. To make neck belt variation, prepare two rectangular fabric with bed parts facing each other. Stitch along the shape using single needle machine. And then turn back the stitches and stitch again along the shape. Next, I will explain how to make front body. Join side panel with front body, use double needle machine. Reserving 10 until 15 cm to make side pockets. Make placket on right and left front body with fold fabric 3 cm. There is the placket. Okay, after I explain the manufacturing process of component parts, now I will explain the assembling process. First step, join front body, back yoke and back body with double needle machine. Then join collar to the body with double needle machine. Don't forget to attach size label here. After that, join sleeve to the body. And next, join side seam with single needle machine. Don't forget to join cuff to the sleeve with single needle machine. And then don't forget to join zipper in the front body. And the last process to make a jacket is make a bottom hemming. To make bottom hemming, fold main fabric in 1 cm, then 4 cm. After that, stitch along the shape with use double needle machine. Okay, from the manufacturing process of jacket, the conclusion is almost all stitches use double needle machine. Just a few parts that use single needle machine. Snap button attached in belt neck variation. Flap pocket also in the cuff. And almost all stitches are overlooked with overlock machine. The last, I want to say thank you for the nice attention and goodbye.